Hey everybody, Van Girl Cheryl here. I'm not going to do a cooking video because I suck at them, but I am going to show you my marinade for my curry chicken. Once again, I'm just throwing together what I have. So I've got some cut up chicken breasts here in a fairly good bite size. I've got a couple of different sizes of sizes and color onion. I have, what do I have here? A white and a couple of red that I had to use up. I'm going to add some salt and pepper, like a dash, 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 a few hundred dashes of salt, not too much or my daughter will give me heck. And I'm also going to put in, no, I don't have access to fresh garlic, and if it's old garlic, I'd rather use minced garlic. So this is just organic garlic minced. Boom. I'm putting in a healthy spoon. Dippers. Then, oh, I need another teaspoon. I'm going to put in just a teaspoon of paprika. Voila, healthy teaspoon. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm also going to put in, now this is a little different, tablespoon of cumin. Just using ground cumin here. Boop, boop, boop. Come on, man. There we go. There we go. Kind of like that. See, there it is. Put that in. Now, my favorite. We're going to load it up with this. Last time I didn't feel I put enough curry, so a heaping tablespoon of curry. Okay, maybe 2 heaping tablespoons of curry. Okay, maybe 3 hooping tablespoons of curry. That'll do her. And what else do I need? What else? Oh yes, a little bit of oil. So I'm just gonna get some oil going on in there, and then I'm gonna smoosh it up, mix it up. I guess I'll mix it up. I didn't bring my rubber gloves, and I don't want to keep leaving the camera like I often do. So we'll just see what this looks like. Mix, mix, mix. And the best part about marinating is if you have time, marinate it overnight. Marinating just lets all the flavors come together in a beautiful way. Like they just integrate with each other, really. It's a marriage of flavors. Oh yeah, baby. Hiya. So I rough chop when I'm doing curry, as you can see. I like to have a nice big chunk of whatever. So this is just the chicken, the onion, the garlic, the spices. And I'm gonna let it marinate overnight. And then I will add potatoes, maybe a couple carrots if I have any, and cook it tomorrow all together. But this is the marinade. This is how you get her done. And if you can, if you only have an hour, marinate it, put it in the fridge, cover it. I'm going to cover it, put it in the fridge overnight, but cover it, put it in the fridge for an hour, let's say. Then cook it up, saute it, and bada bing, bada boom. You're going to have yourself a great curry chicken. Anywho, that's it. Quick and easy curry by the one and only Crazy Van Girl Cheryl. So I'm going to leave you with that. And remember, if somebody doesn't have a smile, give them yours. Ciao for now.